How to fix Fortnite keep crashing on your device? First step, update Fortnite. Open Epic Game Launcher, go to Library, check for available update. Second step, verify game files. Click the three dot icon, click Manage and click Verify Files. Wait for some time. Is actually verifying your game file. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after, we move on with next step. Click the three dot icon one more time. Click Manage, click Installation folder, click Fortnite Games, Binary, Win64, EC Anti-Cheat. Click the EC Anti-Cheat setup. It should run like this. Do it for 2 to 3 times. Close it. Next step, search for command prompt. Right click Run as Administrative and type the following text. SFC space slash scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. It's actually verifying your files in the device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. The next command, exit it and open up this PC. You have enough memory space in C drive. Make sure it. Right click properties, click tools and scan the drive. Close it and come to next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app. Select change settings. Scroll down. Search for Epic Game Launcher and Fortnite. It should enable in both private and public. If it's not having means click allow another app. Click browse. For easy method, come outside. Right click open file location of the Epic Game Launcher. Copy it. Come back. Click browse and paste the address here. You can easily get the application. Click it. Click add in the bottom side. Click OK in the bottom side. Close it. And the last and final step, search for run. Type the following text, percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Click the Epic Game Launcher folder. Click saved folder. Click web cache folder. Delete it. Once deleting after, close it and restart your device. Thank you.